welcome back to the channel, guys. Y'all recognize my destination, my location? Yes, I am pulling into my second or third home, depending on, hey, that PT still over there, man. What is going on? Brothers Motors, guys. We about to wrap this truck up, okay? We got this truck. My buddy of YouTube, we in the middle of installing this freaking 3.6. Now I'm about to deliver some parts, guys. My man had a change of plans. Not a change of plan, but he wanted to go further than what his warranty recommend. Yeah, see right there. Look at my man in there. Hey, oh, that's the engine right there. Okay, so he wanted to go further than what the warranty calls for. In other words, go a step further. So instead of relying on the little, I don't know, 30-day warranty or whatever it is, no, man, we're going full blown. We're gonna go ahead and put this is per his request, so we're gonna go ahead and put lifters, rockers on it, a new oil filter adapter housing, the whole 9 yards. So that's, to me, I don't know, it depends on how you look at it. Oh, this is a Hemi. What? Damn. This ain't no 3.6. Where that 3.6 at? Oh. Okay. Got some more business going on over here. Yeah, so I got some parts for this thing. We're gonna go a step further. We're gonna meet it at the pad. Okay, even though, like I said, they come with a 90-day warranty. I'm not sure which one he got, but we don't want to do that, man. So I'm gonna end up taking this intake off. We're gonna go in with a new oil filter adapter housing, and he want new rocker arms and lifters. Okay, spark plugs. So everything, in other words, guys, what I'm trying to say, the known problems, we're gonna go ahead and take care of. And guys, there are some known problems to the 3.6 Pentastar. All right, I think they got the mileage off of here, but it's a used engine. Like I said, it came with warranty. Now we're not gonna use any of this wire harness. So I went and got some parts. Like I said, he approved to get the extra work done. So I stopped by the dealer, and we're using OEM parts, guys. No. We don't play that stuff. No AutoZone oil filter adapter housing, no AutoZone rocker arms. We're in the process of getting it out. My man, actually I met him on YouTube. Real cool dude, man. Real cool dude. He hit me up. Where you shop at? Where you shop at? Let me say this again. Where is the shop at? I'm getting a lot of questions concerning my locations. I work out of a shop in Snellville, the Atlanta area, on the outskirts of Atlanta, called Brothers Motors. So if you have any type of work you need done, just hit us up, man. We got a website, and most of the videos are up on YouTube if you search Brothers Motors. But yeah, you're dealing with factory trained technicians, guys, so you're not dealing with no scrubs, no Rudy Poops, nothing like that. So we have the knowledge and the capability to do just about anything we need to do. Now I talked with my man. He had a couple decisions he wanted to make, so we went with let's just replace the engine. Okay, that take away a lot of the risk factor, and I agree with him. Okay, yes, good idea, my man. So that's where we at now. We're getting ready to pull this thing out. This is this truck equipped with a as you can see, V6. Now guys, don't sleep on this V6 engine, guys. Now this truck, I've seen these V6 teamed up with 8-speed transmission. In fact, this truck have an 8-speed 4-wheel drive, and they must put a lot of thought process and a lot into this engine if they would team it up with a big 1500 equipped with a 4-wheel drive. So you know, with 4-wheel drive, people tend to pull things. So don't sleep on this don't sleep on his engine just because it's a 6-cylinder. Yes, it has quite a bit of horsepower and torque. All right, so, and yeah, like I say, we came up with the conclusion, let's just replace it. Now my man tended to want to go a step farther. We're going, even the used engine we put in, we're gonna go through it, make sure everything's in it up to date. As for anything else he may need, yes, we recommend, because it's an 8-speed transmission, we recommend that he service it. It's over 100,000 miles. Y'all know my thought process on that transmission. No. Forget the fact that you've heard it's feel for life. No, I suggest you replace that pan. And I only say pan because it's going to come with a filter. All right, so you may not hear me say replace the pan and the filter, but if you replace the pan, you're going to inadvertently get a filter. It's a combo. All right, so we're gonna maybe end up doing that. I'm trying to sell him on that too. Maintenance guys, we want this truck. This is a nice freaking truck, man. We want this truck to last. All right, that's the whole point of doing maintenance work. It's called PM, preventive maintenance. So if you stay up on top of your vehicle, you shouldn't have any problems. So we're gonna try to upgrade the transmission fluid. This is 8-9 speed fluid. Yes, guys, those parts are expensive. Don't get it twisted. They are expensive. The pan service from the dealership. Now, there's a discrepancy should you get it from the dealer or the aftermarket. Y'all know me. I'm a big fan of OEM, but a pan is a pan, right? So if, say, the dealer don't have it, is it okay to get one from aftermarket? Absolutely. They're gonna warranty their stuff just like anybody else. Now, fluid, on the other hand, that's another story. I suggest you go with 8-9 speed, but if you don't have it or have the money, because it's expensive, Valvoline had contacted me and told me that it is okay to use their multi-transmission fluid. Okay, so it becomes a deciding factor for you whether you go that route or not. And what's good about that is they stand behind their product. If your transmission failed because of their product, they will pay for your product. Now, I don't want to show all my man business, but like I just want to point out that this is a nice truck. The reason why I assume he want to make it last. We're going to make it last, man. Brothers Motors, all right? So, guys, we have a lot of work to do, man. I really should be turning wrenches, all right? But I wanted to talk to you guys before I get started, okay? So, like I told you, his engine over there. We got a transmission to put in, more engines to put in. So, we're busy, but we still have room for more. So, if you need any more, oh, that's the 3.6 came out of that other vehicle. If you need any work, guys, hit us up, man. Brothers Motors, brothersmotorsllc.com, or you don't know, Facebook. Okay, yes, we got a Facebook. And if you're looking for any video work off Brothers Motors, just search Brothers Motors on YouTube. All right, so guys, let me get to work. All right, thanks for watching. That's all I have.